Attila is going to show us how to rebuild a prong on a ring and to resize this beautiful heirloom for you. Alright, Attila's going to show you how adding a piece of platinum wire and soldering to the ring's base we were able to secure the diamond. This takes years of practice, and you have to be very careful not to put too much heat on the metal to melt it, or too much heat on the diamond. But that's why Attila is the master. Alright, first of all, as you notice, Attila is putting a pickling solution on the ring. Pickling solution of boric acid and denatured alcohol he uses to coat it protects the stone and the metal from permanent burn damage caused by the heat of this torch. And that's very important, especially when you're working on rings with colored stones or more fragile gems than diamonds. Melt some platinum solder. Oh yeah, there you go. Doesn't look very pretty yet, but it will. Puts it on the ring mandrel and lets it cool down a little bit. And there's Christina over there playing with diamonds. Okay, next he's going to do, Attila's going to take this and file that prong, finish it up, and make it look just like the other three. So then we'll have 4 safe, heavy prongs on the ring. Don't cut your finger. You can see on this ring that all that delicate filigree, you have to be especially careful because that small, delicate metal would melt easily. But not with Attila. So he's finished up smoothing that prong up, shaping it up, and as you can see, it looks like the other three. So we have 4 nice heavy prongs on Edna's ring. Alright, so next we're going to look at sizing it. Let's see, Grandma Edna had a size 7 finger, and yours is a 5. So we have to remove 2 sizes so you can wear your favorite granny's ring. So Attila marks the 2 sizes. Carefully cuts out from the bottom of the shank 2 sizes of the platinum. But as you can see, this is not Attila's first day. If the pliers don't work, take a hammer to it. nice and tight and even, so that when you solder it, the shank will be no thinner than it was when we started. So it's important to have a thick shank on the bottom so it won't wear. Just cutting a little platinum solder. Solder's in place. Ready. A little more pickling solution just to be sure. What's that? Flux?
That's flux.
Puts a little flux on it. A little hotter torch here. Does it good and fast. Dips it. Now it's just a matter of rounding it up, filing it, sanding it, smoothing it up, so you can't tell it's ever been sized. Right on the size 5. Now for the finishing touches. Filing it up, smoothing it, making it all match. Okay, looks good. Now let's look and see how round it is. Yep, perfectly round. Right on size 5. Looks good. Next step is to polish it and make it look like brand new. Attila will start doing a little polishing on the inside. Okay, now Attila will be taking it over to our polishing department, where he will hand it to Nathan, our polishing expert, describing what we need to do for Aunt Edna. First, Nathan polishes the inside of the ring. Got them fancy little grips there. Those are new. Now he's real careful around the diamond and the new prong. He's polishing that new prong. That he keeps dipping in is a rouge. The rouge is a polishing agent that helps clean the metal and smooth it up. Now he'll move over to the other wheel and buff the outside of the ring. Final, more delicate rouge, which does the final polish. Still, as you see, Nathan being very careful with that fine filigree not to damage it. And then next and last, we clean the ring. Stick in an ultrasonic cleaner, remove some of the polish and pickling solution that we used earlier. And then white gold, we would then put a rhodium plating on it to keep it white, but this is a platinum ring which does not need the rhodium. So there is the finished ring. It looks great. It'll fit you, and Grandma Edna will be mighty proud. Thanks to Nathan and Attila